Hi, this is Nick from Raise3D Tech Support, and today we're going to answer the question, how can 3D printing help business? 3D printing is becoming an indispensable tool in business and industrial settings because it allows you to manufacture products in-house and at an inexpensive cost, increasing design quality and decreasing turnaround time and overall cost. In traditional manufacturing, outsourcing and expensive molds and masters are required for producing a part from a digital design. Fabrication and shipping can last weeks and is too costly to use during prototyping. With 3D printing, you can print a model on-site in an inexpensive material to test all your fittings and measurements. This allows design teams to immediately test parts and identify and fix problems sooner. When it comes time to manufacture, the versatility in material options can make 3D printing a great choice for a lot of parts. Because there is no initial costs, small batches and unique or customized one-offs benefit tremendously from 3D printing. To find out if 3D printing is right for your business, contact us at raise3d.com or call us at 888-963-9028.